Okay, so now we've got our two pieces, our top and bottom. So I'm going to put a sketch on this side face right here, and I want to come underneath the edge and over the insert. So I'm going to use my line tool. Actually, I'm going to project, P for project, and I'm going to project this edge, and I'm going to zoom in to make sure that I get the edges that I want. This edge on top of the notch and around the side and on the bottom. So I should have all of those now. They turned blue, and I'm going to come back down here to the bottom, and I'm going to project the top. I'm going to zoom in on my notch again, get the side, the bottom, the side, and the top. Now I should be able to connect these with a line. Move that out of my way. So after I connect these, I should see a blue profile. Yes, very good. Now I'm going to turn these bodies off real quick so I can see what I'm extruding. And I'm actually going to right click, turn these into components, and this will be handy later. But now I can turn those components off, extrude this body. I want to extrude it the other way, so I'm going to go negative 3/16, and I'm going to make sure it's a new body. Now if I turn these other components on, I can see how everything is meshing, which is good. And I'm going to build the other face real quick the same way. Let's rotate you. So I'm going to put another sketch on this face, and same thing, P for project. I'm going to come underneath, and then I'm going to come up and around the notch. I didn't really want that whole face, but that's okay. And I'm going to P for project the top, and I'm going to come down and around this notch. And I'm going to P for project this edge right here. And then I'm going to make a line here. So I'm going to have another face that I'm extruding in. So I'm going to finish the sketch, extrude it again, negative 3/16. Whoops. It didn't work. So I'm going to come over here, negative 3/16. We don't want to join it. We want to make sure it's a new body. Okay. So I have new bodies. Things are extruded. Notice my pieces do not overlap here. But there's a little bit sticking out up here in the front. I don't really like that. So I'm going to put another sketch on this face, and I'm going to project that triangle. And I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to project this triangle. Oh, I projected up there, so it didn't work. So I'm going to take this sketch and delete it, and I'm going to do a better job. I'm going to put the sketch right here. I'm going to project this triangle. And now I should be able to finish the sketch and extrude that triangle and cut it all the way through so that it goes away. All right, now I have a nice flush edge, and I'm going to do the same thing over here real quick. So I'm going to put a sketch right on that triangle, project the edges, and every time I say project, I'm just clicking on P, and I'm going to extrude this down so that it cuts it out. Cool. Now I just need to build my little notch and cut the hole for my phone.